Good day. I'm going to show you how to do Python programming, and right now I'm using PyCharm as my IDE. So in Python, there's a concept of data structures and variables. So there are multiple ways of setting data structures or variables in Python. The first one, data type is called integer, we have got floats, we have strings, we have booleans, we have lists, we have tuples, we have dictionaries, sets, and non-types. So for integers, you can either just say age is equals to 34 or specify that age is equals to integer 34. This will give you the same outcome or the same results. For floats, you have floats are numbers that have got commas like your height, your weight. For example, height equals to 5.9 inches, and you can either specify it like float, preface it with a float, or cast it with a float, or just type it as it is. Python is smart enough to pick it up as a float. For strings, you can either just say name is equals to Alice in double quotes, or name is equals to string Alice in single quotes. It will give you the same result. Booleans, they're either true or false, and I want you to notice that for booleans, they have to be prefaced by a capital letter, either capital letter T or for true, and capital letter F for false. And also, true is equals to 1 and false is equals to 0. So booleans are either 0 and 1. List, we have this, you use this kind of brackets, and you separate the items within a list by a comma. And for tuples, you have these kinds of brackets, and you separate them by comma again. For dictionaries, we have the curly brackets, and I want you to notice in dictionaries, you have got key value pairs. We have got the key name is equals to Bob. This is the key, and this is the value. So it kind of gives you a dictionary of something. Sets use this kind of brackets, and that's your sets here. Non-types is just none. Also in Python, we have got basic operations, which is your basic addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions. Also control structures in Python, we are talking of if statements here. You want to see if there's a condition met. If x is equals to something or greater than or less than. So in this case, if age is greater than 18, then print or say that it is an adult. Else, it will check. Else, if it's not greater than 18, then it's not an adult. We've got loops again in Python. So for this example, I've got for I in range 1 to 6, print I. It will print anything within the range of 1 and 6. Also, a good thing about Python, we've got functions in Python. Functions allows you to create your own code and use it the way you like. So in this case, I have defined my greet function. It will ask the person name. So it will say print hello person name. Then greet, I'll write a name here. It will say hello, whatever name that I assign. Thank you and bye bye.